New day, another dessert. Ano po? The tiramisu cake with strawberry on top, with the icing on top too. Yeah. Thank you guys for your support. Even though declined again the monetization, I hope to see you guys soon. For you all. Thank you to you all support, to all my supporters of Mr. Heart Round 17. Thank you. Stay safe everyone, and don't focus on YouTube too much. Alagaan naman natin ang ating ang kalusugan. Mga healthy tayo, hindi tayo nagkakasakit. Yeah, I was sick past few days already. Thank you guys so much. Yung mga nag-support sa akin noong October 17, October 18 dyan sa Pilipinas, yung mga nagpalipad, mga nagpa-member. Thank you to all. Thank you very much. Adios. I'll see you around. I'll see you around on other live stream. Thank you so much for your all support. Lalo na yung tumutulong sa WH, Mr. Mike Bisdat, yung nag-aayos sa aking account, to my personal secretary, Ding Colorful Life. Thank you so much. Adios. Bye-bye.